Can you tell me what that first picture's of?
Washing your hands with the water.
It's turning on the water, isn't it? Then what's he putting on here now?
Soap.
Soap. Is soap important? Do you need soap?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need soap. That's right.
At this point, it's very important to stress that the hands are first wet, then the soap is on, but the soap is not immediately rinsed off. Instead, the wet hands with the soap added are scrubbed together vigorously all over the hands before the hands are put back in the water. Unfortunately, many young children get soap on their hands and immediately plunge it under fast-rushing water. This makes the soap and the cleaning value of the soap be almost of no value.
Now next is scrubbing your hands, huh? And look, what's he doing? He's scrubbing them like this, together like this, isn't he? And then the next one is, he's going in between his fingers, isn't he? Can you all do that? Yeah, getting in between those fingers, good.
Going around each finger, especially after using the bathroom, is important, and when they wash the top of their hands, they need to include the wrists.
And then, oh, there's the water coming to wash all the germs away. And then the very last thing.
And then you dry it.
Then you dry it.
Wet hands get dirty again much faster than dry hands, so talk about how important it is to dry the hands completely.
I'm going to mix them all up, and I'm going to give you each one. Eleanor, there's one, and there's one, and here's one. Eleanor, come and show us what your first picture is. Come and show everybody what your first picture is. Yeah, it's getting your hands wet. Is that the first thing you do when you wash your hands? Okay, Eleanor, you're in the right place, so just stay there. Now, what's the next thing we do? We do the soap, that's right. So come stand over here by Eleanor. Now, what's the next thing? After you get your hands real wet, what do you do? Tops and bottoms? Okay, so where would you go? That's right, so go there. Now, when do we rinse our hands? Do we rinse our hands before or after we dry them? The drying's last, isn't it? So, Jaron thinks that you go right there. And then the last one is the drying. So now let's look at what we have here. So look, Eleanor has the first one here where it's just the water going on. Is that the first thing you do? You turn the water on? And then, Jackson, what do you have?
Putting on soap.
Scrubbing, that's right. And how are you scrubbing your hands? Yes, together. And how are you scrubbing your hands? And then what are you doing on yours? You're rinsing them off, right? And Cora, what are you doing on yours? So that's very good. So now you know the orders. Let's all mix up again and see if we can do it again.